first sentence he reads a book is affirmative sentence because this includes not any negative words such as n comma t, not, no, never. So there are no such words like that. And the second one, he does not read any books. Here the sentence includes the negative word. Here not, there is a not. Okay, so that is why this sentence is negative sentence. And the interrogative sentence, we can see here that the auxiliary verb before the subject, and at the end of the sentence there is a question mark. So from these two features of this sentence, we can come to know this sentence is called interrogative sentence. And the next sentence here, doesn't he read a book? Here this sentence is called negative interrogative sentence because this sentence includes n comma t and the auxiliary verb before the subject. So that's why this sentence is called negative interrogative sentence. So the expression of negative interrogative sentence can be positive, like doesn't he read a book? That means he reads any kind of books. Okay, so if we ask simple interrogative sentence without negative meaning of that sentence, like the above sentence here, does he read a book? The answer could be negative and the affirmative. So if the answer is negative, then he will reply that no. And if the answer is positive, then he will reply with a yes. So does he read a book? Yes, he reads a book. And does he reads a book? No, he doesn't read any book. So okay, so but if we use negative interrogative sentence, then the answer must be yes. Doesn't he read a book? Yes, he reads a book. Okay, so only interrogative sentence can be replied with no or yes, and negative interrogative sentence must be replied with yes. So negative interrogative means the positive expression of that sentence. Okay, do you get it? And we can write two ways negative interrogative sentence. One way, this sentence is one way, doesn't he read a book? And the next sentence is another way, does he not read a book? Okay, so here we can come to know that the differences between affirmative, negative, interrogative, and the negative interrogative sentence. So after this after this kind of knowledge, we can apply to any kind of sentence. So we can make any kind of sentence affirmative, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative. Suppose if we write down any sentence, he plays cricket. So here he plays cricket. This is affirmative sentence because there is no not any kind of negative words. Okay, so if we write down the negative sentence of this sentence, then we have to add the auxiliary verb do or does, because this sentence is in simple present tense. So he takes does and does takes not, and the other part of the sentence verb and object cricket. Sorry, cricket. Okay, so he does not play cricket means yeah, you know what is the means of this sentence. So he does not play cricket, and uh, we just now have made the above sentence into -1, and if we make it interrogative, then we must have to write down the auxiliary verb first. Here auxiliary verb does, so we have to write it first, and then the subject he, and the other part of sentence play cricket. So this is interrogative sentence, so we have to question mark. Okay, put it down. And the another sentence is negative interrogative. So does here takes short form of not n comma t, and then the subject he, and then the verb play, and then the object is a cricket. Okay, cricket, and the question mark. So here, doesn't he play cricket? So he plays cricket, he does not play cricket. Does he play cricket? Doesn't he play cricket? So there are 4 types of sentences. And another sentence, let me put it down. I meet my friends every day. Okay, I meet my friends every day. This is a positive sentence, means there is not any no n comma t, never, such kind of this sentence, such kind of these words, there is no any sign. Okay, and then every day is okay, I meet my friends every day. Okay, so here subject first person, that's why meet, the verb here meet takes no a's. Okay, so if we write down the negative version of this sentence, the sentence will be I don't. Here I take, here the subject takes do. Okay, and not. So I don't meet my friends every day. I don't meet my friends every day. So every day there is space. Okay, I don't meet my friends every day. If we put down the interrogative version, do I meet my friends every day? Every day. And the interrogative, negative interrogative version, don't I meet my friends every day. Okay, so let's talk about the structure of sentence. So here we have known about the person and about the number. So now we have to know about the structure of any kind of sentence. So the main structure of any kind of sentence starts with subject. and the subject. Okay, it starts with subject, then verb,